Shalom to everyone. We're continuing learning Torat Hatahara, lecture number 8. We stopped if person is going on a journey, and if he's coming back on a journey from a journey, and that night is the night of the Ona, which we know if woman sees every 30 days to 30 days, every 30 days she sees her friends coming to her. And that on the 30th night, if it's at night, is at night. If it's day, on the 30th day following the night, he has to separate from her for 12 hours. And after 12 hours, she checks herself. If she's clean, they're allowed to continue doing the mitzvah. Now, we learned if he went on a journey and he came back. If he came back and that night is the night of the Ona, so the halacha says he's not allowed to be with her because he just came back. If he's living, it's a different story. But if he comes back, the law is very different. It's stricter. He's not allowed to be with her if she is supposed to be seeing that night. If night was over, morning sun came out, she checks herself and she's clean, he's allowed to be with her. Now, next halacha. But if he came from journey and she is not in the days that she's supposed to be seeing her friends, means she has to see like in 3 days, in 4 days, or in 2 days, he is must to live with her. Because this is the mitzvah. He came back from journey, she is clean, he must do the mitzvah, and it's very important. Next halacha. Very interesting halacha. If women and men, they forgot that tonight is the 30th night, and they began living together. In the middle of the act, they remembered that tonight is the 30th night. What they're supposed to be doing? Halacha says he has to immediately separate himself from her, even though he's still alive. His organ is still alive. He has to separate himself from her. Why? Because it's not nida. When she's nida, he has to wait till he cools off and then separate himself. But if she's not nida, we don't know yet. Tonight she has to see, but did she see for sure? We don't know. So since we don't know, he has to separate himself immediately. But if he's in situation where if he's gonna right away come out, he's going to spill his seeds for no reason, and that is, we know, the most strict halacha in Shulchan Aruch, then he has to make himself stand on his nails, wait till his organ cools off, only then he should separate himself from her. I want to stop for a second here. Go back to the law that we learned regarding Yosef HaTzadik. When Yosef HaTzadik was a servant by Potiphar's house, Yosef HaTzadik desired Potiphar's wife. It's a big question if he began living with her, if he didn't begin living with her. In effect, because he couldn't hold himself, he threw himself on the floor and he stood on his 10 fingers. When you put all your body weight on your 10 nails of your fingers, your body suffers. When your body suffers, your organ cools off. You like, through the pain, you come down. So here, when Yosef HaTzadik stood on his 10 fingers, his seeds came out from his 10 fingers. That was the reason everything in life, Yosef HaTzadik should have been like Yaakov's father. But when he lost 10 drops, he lost his 10 sons. This is the reason why he remained only with 2 sons, Menashe and Ephraim. Other 10 he lost because of wife of Potiphar. And Binyamin, his brother, should have been without kids. And as a matter of fact, we know Binyamin had 10 sons. Why? Because all his sons were transferred from Yosef to Binyamin. Hashem should protect us. We shouldn't come to these incidents. And we should grow in Torah mitzvot. Amen.